can't even see 10 feet in front of the tent. I'm just kidding.
So, we just discovered that we have more leaks than we thought. So, Ma, we have rain tested your tent and it's failed. It's failed really bad. Oh! I just got leaked on. It's now leaking through the top. This is fun.
Whole sleeve is wet. Whole front sleeve is wet.
Oh man. We might have to jump ship to the car. It's starting to flood. Won't be much longer till it's full and we won't be able to breathe. Look, it's leaking on me. Yay, camping!
Part of it, baby.
Yay, camping! Isolated storms my butt. We should have thrown this in the car.